think we're live. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, nice. All right, boys. So I'm doing this. I talked about this on stream. I wanted to record this video, but I figured this is something I could do a stream on. I want to do this live. I think some people will have some opinions, and I thought it'd be easier. You know, some of you guys got sick of me recording, so I figured I could stream this, post the video. We could even chop it up and make it look a little better for you guys see. But I think this is gonna be some good stuff. So this is another live video. Where are you guys at? We can make this interactive, which I think will be good. This is a crazy, crazy topic. So I have a article from zerohedge, and if you guys aren't familiar, this is a offshoot news site. I use them as a good source. I like to follow their Twitter. I think it's good to watch during the day, but at the same time, some of what they say is kind of crazy. So I've talked about this in some of my other videos. I've discussed zerohedge and kind of how you need to filter through the type of information there. So that's one aspect of it. But now they brought this up, and I think this is one of the biggest conspiracies. Literally, it's kind of dark and twisted, and some people even said that like it's kind of very insensitive to talk about. But it's yeah. Oh no, they're very. See, someone even put in the chat. They're very biased. The zerohedge is very gloomy and darky and yes, 100%. So, but the thing I want to talk about is Justice Ginsburg. This is a huge topic. This is why I'm saying I think it's a conspiracy, because what people are saying is sad but hilarious. But at the same time, this does have a real big effect on the market, I think. I really think this could have an effect just because, again, everything we're seeing with the government shutdown, everything we're seeing with Donald Trump and what's happening here, if he's able to elect and appoint another Supreme Court justice, that's very unique for a president. And, you know, I think Ginsburg she was appointed back in as someone's like, I've been thinking she's been dead since a week ago, but she was appointed back in 1993 under Bill Clinton. So I want to go through some of this. I'm going to show you guys some of it. I think it's fun. I don't know. It's kind of funny. It's kind of sad. But some people think she's dead. Some people don't know if she's dead or alive or what. So we will see. So what happened? She canceled this. But I just want to read you guys the tweets. And I don't know if you guys know, she literally just had cancer surgery, or she had like some like cyst or something removed. But they're relating it to Weekend at Ruth's. That's what they're calling it. It's like a Weekend at Bernie's, where they want proof of life, but it's kind of twisted and dark. This is what I have on the thumbnail. They're saying Weekend at Ginsburg's. Again, people are saying literally that liberals are pulling a Weekend at Ruth's. Where's the good one? This one. I know this is cruel, but sorry, we need proof of life in regards to Justice Ginsburg. It isn't beyond the left and deep state to hide that she passed on. She also must be coherent. To just claim she is working at home is not going to cut it. Am I the only one who thinks Ruth Ginsburg is actually dead, but the media won't report it because they don't want Trump nominating someone else? This is crazy, right? Yes, this stream is live. I'm doing this live. I was going to shoot this video, and I said I might as well do this, but think about it. I don't know. It's kind of weird, and then there's this Twitter account. They're like posting like the history of her getting elected, like testimony. Like, dude, people are getting really, really deep on this, like on how on really her role in this. So I wanted before we dive into this, and then here's this one. Look at this. All right. So let me show you guys this one. Right. I know this is crazy. It's crazy, but I don't know. I want to hear what you guys think. But check TMZ, bro. Literally has no remaining signs of cancer. She will not require additional treatment. And this was 4 or 5 days ago. But look at this clip and tell me what you think. Okay, I'll share with you guys at the end. Well, just look at it. Just watch it. That's great. Of course, the cameraman looks away. I think this is staged. I honestly think this is. Look at this, though, right? Just wait. Look at, they roll her in. And again, this makes sense. She just got surgery. This is like a serious thing. And again, this is kind of, it's weird to talk about, right? But look, so this is her. That's her apparently. But look at this now. This is supposed to be Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Again, I don't know. I want to see what you guys think. I feel like this look. I don't want to say what I'm going to say because I think it's very insensitive. And that's what I'm scared of here. It's because like this is a weird topic to talk about. People think she's dead. And people are joking about it. I don't know if this is something to joke about. It's on TMZ, but I don't know if you guys want to watch that again. But in my opinion, it literally looked like somebody pretending to be Santa Claus. And I mean that in the sense like it just looks weird. I don't know, but that's why I said this is going to get very it looks like they staged all this. I don't know, but it's like, okay, it's just the old. I don't even want it. What do you guys think about this, okay? So I want to hear now what your guys' thoughts are on this, okay? Is before we continue. So this is where it is. You guys are seeing it. One, do you guys understand the political implications? That's what I'm going to talk about and explore here. That was the point of this video. But I don't know. What is your guys' take on this? Is this the biggest conspiracy of 2019? Do you guys think it's crazy to talk about this, to say that a lady is still a lady's dead when she's alive, or and it's the Supreme Court justice? And are you guys literally? Do you understand? Yeah, the proof of life concept is one big thing to talk about, but what are the implications here for this? Looks like she's being carried. Well, some people think the government has a cure for cancer, and some think they're covering up a cancer death, so I give up. Okay. Need some proof of life. October 1919. What? Unofficial. Oh, wow. No way. I know I have no limit in my. That's interesting. I have no limit in my mind to how far things can be taken. Wow. So you're just saying we're just living in some crazy society now, and that could be it. And so Finra Narc just brought up some. I think, wow, I might have to do my videos live like this. So I'll wait to post this. If you're watching this post live, I wanted to shoot these quick little videos I do. I figured I might as well do it live. But now, Finra Narc, you brought up something really interesting. He's saying when Woodrow Wilson died, his wife actually unofficially ran the government for a few days. A few days, or is that what? For a few months? So I don't know. What do you guys think about this? But you guys could put your thoughts. I'll explain what I wanted to talk about with it. But essentially, if you guys remember the debate now with Donald Trump of appointing somebody, again, you could go very deep onto some levels, but think about what they've asked for Donald Trump all the way down from citizenship, not Donald Trump, Obama, to now even Donald Trump. They've asked for tax returns. They've went after Kavanaugh. Do you guys not remember literally how big of a deal Kavanaugh was? And again, if we even look at Kavanaugh in the stock market and how people, that created more rifts and divide, right? So this is something interesting because I'm saying this whole story, again, it's even on DMZ, but what could be going on here is related to the fact that I think it's just more of this drama and now go government shutdown. We've said, okay, why wouldn't the liberals or the right, why wouldn't they agree to a wall when it costs, $5 billion anyways for the wall to just keep continuing, just to have any of that stuff happen? We said that there's probably a bigger thing at stake for them. And that means that I think the Republic, either side, it's not just the wall, it's what they could get from that. So another appointee is important. So really, this is a conspiracy, but the whole point is, as long as Ginsburg is not dead, Trump doesn't get to appoint another justice, right? So if Ginsburg dies and it's announced and found out, what happens, he gets to appoint another justice. So if they can impeach Trump, here's the conspiracy, essentially. If they can impeach Trump before she dies, that's the only way to pretty much stop this guy. Or again, she's in good health. That is another thing. At the end of the day, she could be in good health. And that could mean, she fully, very well could be just totally, and this is a stupid conversation. Again, this is a kind of a stupid conversation to discuss and bring up in that sense, right? But at the same time, I think, we're talking impeachment, we're talking government shutdown. Trump is kind of playing a game of chicken and going hardcore. So I don't know. I think this boils down to a lot of these factors of, okay, well, this could be one of those. This is the only thing I think is big, I love you, bro. No homo. I love you too, man. I know this is nuts. Iric, what do you think? This is pretty nuts, right? I think I have to talk about this. This is just the funniest. I think, wow, there's 1,400 comments. Actually, we should read this. I didn't even think about reading TMZ. Who comments on TMZ? You guys are weirdos, right? But so again, this is the only thing. Again, the fact did Obama? Obama got to appoint a judge. She dead, bro. I know it's crazy though. How are we joke? It's a laughable subject, but this is real. This is so insensitive though. At the same time, you know, it's pretty crazy. So the fact that Trump will get to do two appoint has any president been able to appoint two Supreme Court nominees? That's pretty good. And again, the fact that it would, this would change imagine this liberals and social justice war, another conservative on the bench would just destroy the the left side. They would not be cool on this speculation. And that's cool. Honestly, I want to talk about this because I think if more and more people talk about it, it's kind of one of those subjects where it's like it starts off as a joke, like, hey, is Obama a citizen? Is Donald Trump his taxes? Or, literally, this should have proof, though. At the same time, I don't know. I feel I don't want to be that guy, but, like, put up or shut up, give me some proof. I want proof of life. This is crazy. So I don't know. I could be, but this is nuts. But the political implications, if this conspiracy were true, is very, very important. So I don't know. You sound insensitive, but yeah, exactly. I'm not trying to, and I know I'm not. That's where I'm trying to. I'm really trying to approach this. But like I said, this is ridiculous if she's fine. Because again, one, if it's pretty extreme to say she died and that they're not announcing that. I hate when people do that because that's stupid. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's somebody's life. But what it is, it's the real factor now is that she has deteriorating health. She canceled meetings because of recovery. But now the real question is, will Trump finish out a term? Or will he get pretty much come re-election time? That's the first scenario. If come re-election time, will she be alive? Will her health deteriorate, or what may it be? Or now, if Donald Trump gets a second term, will will her health improve in the next 4 years, or will it deteriorate? And that is the real question. So, I don't know. Let's see. We will get to. Oh my gosh. So that's what I just said. But oh my gosh, I love this. I'm gonna do all my videos like this. You guys, I love you. There's the chat. So we'll leave it on this. I think we might have to leave it on this. Tekosi, he said that's why Nancy doesn't want a State of the Union event. We get to see the state of Ruth Buzzy Ginsburg. That's true. That's very true. She would have to make a live appeal, or she would have to not go. But again, if she didn't go, that would cause questions of concern. Oh, man. So how does this compare to China printing records where all others are tightening? Japan's doing the same thing, I think. I think you're going to see. And, too, to attract the, rising rates and contraction is to raise, attract capital. But I'll talk about that either tomorrow. I don't know, man. We're going to, please say it one more time. Bro, say what one more time? No. Well, I'm just going to post the video. Don't worry. I did this so I could do this video live. No. You guys, don't worry. You guys are going to be able to I just wanted to record my video live. This is how I do it. I wanted to get your guys' interaction. Nancy said she's not attending. See? So then there you go, and imperfect, be more. Yeah, I like it. I think she doesn't want to go, so she's like, okay, if I don't go, nobody would question Ginsburg. That's a crazy one. Tekosi, I'm giving him the award, man. That was a good one, bro. I owe you something. I don't know if you didn't get the free stock. If you didn't get the stock trading course, the expensive free stock trading course, it's on me. I'll give you. That was good, or how I'll give you money. Whatever. That was a good comment. I like that a lot. So I'm gonna leave it there, though. You guys, maybe we'll do another stream. I'm gonna end this so I could just have this video get ready to post. I have another video posting in an hour. But if you guys like this style. If you guys like this style of video, I'll just record all my videos live and then upload them. It gives us a little bit cool I like this a lot, actually. I think this is pretty dope. So I'm glad you guys came. I'm glad you guys are here. Watch this if you missed it. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Show me some love with it. Get the free course if you're new. You guys, everyone, I don't even have to say. I know everybody in here already got it. So you guys are dope. You like this? I like this. I like this a lot. This is cool. So I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna post the video at 4. So I'll come on tonight. Then I'm gonna post the video tonight, and I'll just do this live. We'll go on live at like maybe 8 o'clock, 8 or 9. We have after hours at 5 though. So if you're in the after hours, we're starting at 5. I'll send you guys that email. This is fun though. I think we'll do something like this. I'll see what I could do. All right, guys. Peace out. I love y'all. Peace.